Hello traders, it's me Kamal here. Today I'm going to show you the only trading strategy that can really make you profitable. No bullshit, just proven stuff that works right now. Watch this video till the end and catch all the details and grab free signals in the Telegram channel, link in the bio. Most people think you need hundreds of strategies to trade successfully, but the truth is simplicity, discipline always wins. This strategy is built on support and resistance level. The market always moves from level to level. Your job? Find these zones and trade only from them. Step 1. Identify key levels. Open the chart, watch for the BTC, Euro, USD, etc. and look for the areas where the price reverses or the stall the most. How? Use M15 and M30 for the short-term trades and H1 for the bigger moves. The more times a level is tested, the stronger it is. Step 2. Wait for the confirmation. Don't guess if the price will respect a level. Wait for the proof. What confirms a trade? Pin bars, fake breakouts, double tops or bottoms. If the price hits the level and sharply rejects, that's your entry point. Step 3. Trade with minimal risk. Always risk only for 1 or 2% of your trade. This keeps your capital safe and allows you to trade long term. One bonus tip for you. Multi-time frame analysis. Check your levels on higher time frames. If a level is valid on both M15 and H1, the probability of winning trade is much higher. How to set the profit and stop losses. Stop loss. Always be on this level with 2 or 3 pip buffer. Take profit at least 2 times of your SL for a 1:2 risk reward ratio. The biggest edge in the trading, patience. 90% of traders fail because they want fast money. But if you wait for a right setup, right time, then you are already ahead of the game. Want a detailed breakdown of this strategy with real entry points? Join my Telegram channel where I drop free signals and daily educations for the traders who are serious about making money. This strategy might look too simple, but simplicity is what makes it more profitable. The key is to follow the rules and keep your emotions out of the game. If you're ready to start your trading journey with a proven strategy and daily support, then join my Telegram channel through the link which is given in the description. There you will find free signals, education content and trade breakdowns every single day. Hit the subscribe button, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you want to see a full breakdown of this strategy in the next video. See you soon, future profitable traders.